Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we will be making curry in a pot. Add 2 vegetable OXO cubes. Upon looking at the ingredients, I discovered that the OXO cubes have added sugar, so I will not be purchasing them again because A, they have added sugar, and B, I have no money or source of income. I also added medium curry powder and garlic. You may be thinking, this looks like shit water. And sadly you would be right, but we cannot judge it till it is finished. Now I will be adding, drum roll please, Dunnes Stores classic vegetable melody with crimple carrots, cauliflower florets and broccoli florets carefully selected and prepared. Yeah. I added quite a lot of vegetables because I want to grow big and strong. I also spilled some, which is rather disappointing, and I added too much water, but at least I'll be nice and hydrated. Now I will bring it to a boil by boiling it. Yeah, look where I put the spoon. How innovative. So it is being boiled by boiling it, and I put the frozen vegetables back in the freezer, because if I didn't, they'd no longer be frozen vegetables then, would they? So here it is, in all its glory. Yep, it is looking funky. So I was gonna boil it until the water was, a lot of it was gone, but I'm getting bored of that. So instead I'm going to add Tesco whole grain rice with quinoa, nutty and savory, perfectly cooked so it is ready to eat hot or cold. Source of fiber. I was gonna add half the pack, but I added the full pack in hopes that it would absorb the water, but instead it just disappeared and is now making like fun sounds. Hope it doesn't burn. I put a little hat on to keep them warm. Wow, just look at it go. Wow. I turned the heat off because the hot water splashed me and it really hurt my feelings. But it's working, kind of. Not really.